What's going on, everybody? I'm Brian Daggett. I've been playing drums professionally for over 25 years. Welcome to my home studio. I record drums for all types of artists in-house and remotely. If you're looking for drum tracks for that next song or album, I'm here to offer my help. I've done projects in the realm of reggae, rock, country, pop, funk, hip-hop, and everything else in between. I use a Tama Star maple kit with a small variety of different snare drums to pick from. Microphones I use in the recording process include Earthworks Audio, Warm Audio, Sennheiser, Shure, and Audio Technica. All these I run through Warm Audio and Focusrite preamps. I have the Presonus Studio Live 1642, which acts as my 16-channel interface while running the Presonus Studio One DAW for recording. If you like what you see and you're interested in working with me, my best form of communication is email. rossbdaggs@gmail.com. Or you can check me out on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, with the username BDaggs79. I post a lot of past works and samples on these sites, so if you'd like to check them out, I would really appreciate it.
Ask my love to grab some whiskey and meet me by the ocean. I can't wait until it hits me. Realize the notion of waking up to times of trouble. Mother Mary comes to me.
Thanks again for checking out this video, and take care, y'all.
And the day is gone, she'll be sleeping.